Hi guys! In this video you will learn how to reset your Call of Duty mobile settings. Well, to do that, locate the gear icon in the top right corner of your screen. Click on the gear icon to access the game settings. Then look for the Set Default Option section and to restore all options to their defaults, click on the Restore Defaults button next to the H option. You can also select each option individually and click on the Restore Default button next to it. Alternatively, you can select all options at once by clicking on the Select All checkbox at the top of the screen. Then click on the OK button to confirm that you want to restore all options to their defaults. Confirm the action by clicking on Yes when prompted. And that's it. Well, resetting your settings can help optimize performance if you're experiencing lag or frame rate issues. By resetting to default settings, you can start fresh and adjust them to better suit your device's capabilities. It allows you to customize your settings from scratch, tailoring them to your preferences and playstyle. This can include sensitivity settings, control layout, audio settings, and graphic quality. If you're encountering technical issues or bugs within the game, resetting your settings can sometimes resolve these issues. It's a basic troubleshooting step recommended by many gaming communities and support forums. Sometimes players experiment with different settings to see how they affect gameplay. Resetting to default settings can bring you back to the stable baseline. That's how to reset your Call of Duty mobile settings. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.